Welcome to the PowerBoss Use and Care Operation video. This video is designed to be a general guide to the care and use of your 9XR Armadillo sweeper. For detailed use and care, please reference your PowerBoss user manual, which has come with your 9XR sweeper. This video does not express nor imply the substitution of hands-on training from your local PowerBoss dealer or PowerBoss representative. Before operating your PowerBoss 9X sweeper, it is important to check your pleated dust filter to ensure that it is clear of debris and damage. Next, check your main broom and side broom, making sure that they are free of debris and obstructions. Make sure they are in proper working condition and properly set to your floor. Also check your dust skirts that they are in proper working condition as well. Before every operation, check that you have the proper level of motor oil. If not, fill the proper level based on your 9XR's use and care manual. Located in front of the engine is the air filter. Squeeze the filter check valve for any signs of dust. If dust is found, reference your user manual for filter cleaning and/or replacement. Next, check your radiator fluid reservoir for proper coolant level. If the fluid level is low, top off with the proper radiator fluid mixture per your 9XR use and care manual. It is very important to inspect the radiator and the oil cooler of your 9XR before sweeping. If dirt and debris is found in the radiator, it is important to clean the radiator and remove all dirt and debris. Next, check your hydraulic fluid level. This can be found under the seat of your 9XR. If low, top off with recommended hydraulic fluid, per your owner's manual. Lastly, check your fuel levels that they are at the proper levels to complete your sweeping test. Depending on the model of your PowerBoss 9XR, they could be LP, gasoline, or diesel. Your Armadillo 9XR comes complete with an adjustable ergonomic seat with adjustable armrests. Set your seat accordingly to your comfort level. Once seated, start your 9XR and check all gauges for proper operational readings based on your 9XR's operation manual. If any of the gauges readings do not meet operational spec, immediately turn off your machine and contact your PowerBoss service center. If you have an LP model, your fuel gauge will not be operational. Reference your LP tank gauge for fill levels. Note, if you are sweeping in a wet environment, open your wet bypass valve accordingly. Your 9XR has 3 broom operation settings. In the up position, the main broom and side broom will both be in motion. In the middle, all brooms will be in the off position, and in the lower position, only the main broom will be in motion. Side broom will be off. Located on the operator's left side are the broom settings. The main broom has 3 settings. Lower for everyday general sweeping. Float for heavy duty sweeping. And lastly, raise for storage or transport. The side broom lever is as simple as raised or lowered, as shown. Located below your sweeping levers is your 3-way throttle button consisting of the following positions. First, you have your rabbit, which is used for everyday sweeping. Second is your whirlwind position, which is used when using extra power, which is needed for heavy-duty sweeping or climbing inclines. And lastly, the turtle position, which is used for idle setting and used for starting and stopping your 9XR before or after turning off your key ignition. To the left of this is your on and off button for your headlights. The yellow light below the throttle switch is a check engine safety light. If this light becomes illuminated, turn your engine immediately off and reference your use and care manual for troubleshooting, or contact your local PowerBoss service center. Located at the top of your steering console is your safety horn and your filter shaker with resettable fuse. Use this to clear your filter of dust periodically through your sweeping process. It is important to use this only when the sweeping broom lever is in the off position. Shake your hopper for approximately 8 to 10 seconds before resuming sweeping. This should also be completed just before the RTR process. Your 9XR is equipped with a ergonomic adjustable steering wheel assembly as shown. Your 9XR is equipped with an operational brake pedal and a forward-reverse variable speed hydrostatic acceleration pedal that will automatically return to the neutral stop position when your foot is removed. And lastly, a storage safety brake which should be engaged when the machine is stored or left in place without an operator in the driver's seat. One of the many unique features of the PowerBoss 9XR sweeper is the rotary trash relocator, otherwise known as RTR. First, lower the number 1 lever until the number 1 red light button turns on, as shown. Then release the handle to the neutral position. Second, lower the number 2 dump lever till the number 2 red light button turns on, as shown. Then release the handle to the neutral position. Once RTR is completed, revert the process to continue sweeping. Note, if debris is slipping past the main broom, or the main broom is no longer picking up debris, or debris is slipping past the main broom side skirt, this is a sign to complete the RTR process. To fully dump your 9XR hopper, first lower your number 1 lever to the proper position for complete dump clearance. Second, lower your number 2 lever till your hopper completely rotates and empties. Once dumping is complete, reverse the process to continue sweeping. Note, it is important to dump a hopper downwind during the dumping process. Your 9XR is capable of dumping in all positions, whether it be low-level dumping or high-level dumping up to a height of 63 inches. This is no problem for your 9XR to complete. Note, it is important to rotate your hopper completely back and then lower it into the sweeping cradle. Not doing so can cause damage to your dust containment skirts. It is important to remember that your 9XR has a rear steering system similar to a forklift. Always keep in mind when making tight turns that this could cause the rear of the machine to swing out and cause damage to your surroundings and your sweeper, as demonstrated here. When sweeping, it is important to always guide your sweeper from the operator's right position, as shown. This will give you clear view and control of your surroundings. When sweeping large areas, it is a good idea to break your sweeping up into manageable sections. Once these sections have been defined, the proper sweeping process is the following. Number 1, outline and sweep your edges using your side broom. Number 2, make a pass through the center of your sweeping section. Number 3, use a decreasing sweeping circle to finish the 2 sections. Once completed, move on to your next sweeping area and repeat the process. At the end of your shift, it's important to complete your final RTR. Number 2, dump hopper. Number 3, clear main broom and side broom of any debris. Number 4, examine machine for wear or damage. Number 5, clean machine with detergent and water. And number 6, store machine in the set parking brake position. For more information about the use of this PowerBoss product, feel free to contact us at www.powerboss.com or call us toll free at 1-800-982-7141.